Quiet in the room, rolling. 4, 3, 2, action.
Hi, my name is Jamin Wei, and you can follow me at my social media account at I am Jamin Wei. Hi, I'm Likian. You can follow me at Instagram @_Likian. Hi, this is Freddy. You can follow me on my Instagram @Redditor. Please watch and subscribe. The best adventures of Maverick only. Dito lang sa Totoong TV only. What's up?
Good day, my friends. Maverick Only is in the house. Well, it's another good day today because we are here along Ortigas Avenue going towards Santolan. Okay, and Green Hills is just around the corner. So if you're passing by Green Hills going to Quezon City, don't forget to drop by here at a very special place. Bagong-bago po, a very newly opened shop, which is, I think, kompleto, kumbaga. Okay, so right here, right now, we are at Green Pepper Bistro Cafe. Okay, isa pa lang to dun sa kompletong building natin, ika nga. Okay, so dito sa building na to, dito sa Ortigas Avenue, nakita nyo, yan yung mga papuntang Quezon City. Okay, so siyempre, nandito tayo ngayon sa shop ng ating Boss Mike because nagbukas si Red Dragon ng bagong shop. Okay, o yan yung mga fan natin, anytime 20-20 lang pa-picture daw. Okay, so right now nandito tayo sa isang building here, yung Green Pepper Bistro Cafe. Okay, ito yung pinaka landmark, no? Pero dito sa shop na to, sa building na to, maraming shop sa loob. Okay, isa na dyan, yung nasa taas, nakikita nyo, yun yung Bishop's Bar. Okay, and then syempre yung Green Pepper Bistro Cafe natin, which is here. Tapos yung Trader's Gin, syempre, nandyan, which is they will open itong January 2025. And syempre, kaya ako nandito kasi nandito yung Bigfoot Detailing Center Philippines, which is owned by our very good boss Mike ng Aika Paint. Okay, so right now nandito ako kasi nga, alam niyo naman, medyo dumampot lang ako ng Chrysler na 300C. Okay, so now syempre, para mas kuminis pa, tinawagan ko ang Boss Mike natin ng Bigfoot Detailing Center Philippines. Kaka-open lang nila, actually soft launch sila right now. Syempre, yan ang mga distributor ng Rupes para i-detail yung ating Chrysler 300C. Okay, so ang ganda na restaurant sa loob, kasi ito meron mini mart, Team Traders Gym. Pero dito sa loob, ang laki na ito, guys, detailing center ng Bigfoot. Okay, so ayan, nakita nyo, ito yung kanilang mga sponsors, saka yung kanilang mga kinikerry na products. Okay, so right now medyo pinark ko na muna yung Chrysler natin dun sa loob. Okay, so nakita nyo, dito pa lang, busog na busog ka na kasi ang luwag, number one, maluwag. Usually napupunta ako mga detailing services, medyo masisikip, pero ito ang laki, diba? So yan, no, may BM dito, at syempre nandito yung Chrysler natin. Ayan. So papadetail ko para mas kuminis pa. Syempre, kaya tayo nandito sa detailing services ng Bigfoot. Siyempre, I'd like to thank my big boss, Boss Mike ng Aika Paint.
Kayo ang boss ko.
Hindi. Boss Mike po, napakabait na boss natin. Lahat po ng car show, lagi siyang kasama. Mga pamiyas, mga pa-auto salon, nandun ang Boss Mike natin. So boss, napakaganda ng shop mo.
Salamat sa suporta.
Siyempre, sir.
Boss.
Sir, Boss Mike, nakita ko nga, talagang bagong-bago to, sir. Pati yung mga coaching, mga dinidetail natin dito, malupit. Yes. Kailan ba nag-open to, boss?
Soft opening pa lang.
Soft
last
opening.
October. So, ang opening natin coming January.
Just coming January.
So, inaayos pa namin yung mga signage. So, kakakablang itong signage namin.
Oo. Ang ganda, boss, pero malupit to.
So, this is the brand from Italy.
Italy, yes, siyempre.
We are the master franchisor for the brand.
Yes, okay.
So, Detailing Center, Bigfoot Detailing Center. It's an international brand.
International brand to, boss.
Okay.
Hindi to lang local, ha?
Oh, okay.
International tayo.
Start from Milan, Italy.
Mila? Only?
Oh,
Mayaman.
okay.
Kung saan galing tong singsing natin, boss?
Italy,
Oh, Italy.
And then they do have in UK. And then they do have in Dubai.
Dubai.
And then
Are we first in
Poland.
Asia? Are we first in Asia?
Yes, we are.
Oh, so Philippines is the first in Asia ng Bigfoot.
Yes, Bigfoot Detailing
Wow.
Center.
Congratulations, bossing.
And we plan to open 3 to 4 store in the next 2 years.
3 to 4 store in the next 2 years. Pero ito yung pinaka-first natin, di ba?
Yes, we all the product we're using are Rupes product.
Rupes
And
product.
then for the coating, we're using C Technique, and then the machine.
Yung machine natin malulupit.
Okay, and then all the machine.
Wow! Quiet in the room, rolling! 4, 3, 2, goddamn, action!
Hi, my name is Kamsel. You can follow and like my page at Kamsel. Please watch and subscribe to Mapping Only on YouTube. Only Waka!
And the machine.
Yung machine natin malulupit.
Okay, and then all the machine.
Wow!
From Rupes.
Boss,
Okay.
nakita natin yung mga ibang klase itong mga pang... Ito, hindi ito yung mga tipong mga chipipay ng mga...
Oo naman.
Rupes
guwapo mo.
to.
Kasi guwapo mo.
Diba? Galing Italy yan. Italian, no? Rupes,
yeah.
Ito, boss, and explain ko lang, di ba, ang Rupes, sumasali sa SEMA yan, di ba?
Yes, kasama yun
Sa SEMA show,
Okay.
sa Las Vegas. Ayan.
Yes.
Oo. So, ito nakita nyo, kaya kung kailangan yung detailing services, lalong-lalo na sa mga brand new cars yung katulad nito. Boss, ang ganda, parang Lincoln Navigator to. Ano ba to?
This is an electrical, the first in the Philippines.
First in the Philippines?
And I mean,
EV to,
number 001.
001!
In the Philippines, and then
Wow.
they have a lot of units. And
So, boss, anong brand to? Ang ganda.
Hongqi.
Hongqi.
From China.
From
full
China.
Electric,
Full electric EV. Hongqi.
S9. S9.
S9.
Hongqi S9.
Oh,
Okay.
Sa sobrang kita,
Hongqi
bossing.
S9.
Hindi ko makita yung sarili ko.
Naka-PPF, okay?
Naka-PPF na.
Yan.
Okay.
Okay.
So, ito boss, naka-PPF na to?
Yes.
Parang wala. Ang
yeah.
kintab.
Yes, kaya yung yung grossing and then protected with
Naka-ceramic coat pa yan, di ba?
Yes.
Before pinipil.
Okay.
Ang galing, bossing. Ang ganda na itong EV na to, boss.
So we're using all the Rupes tools.
Yeah, Rupes tools,
And then everything, and then the lights we're using the scan grip.
Anong tawag sa lights natin, bossing?
No, the detailing lights.
Detailing lights, yeah.
Scan grip. So this is the
Scan trip.
Okay.
Oo.
Yeah. So ito yung sample.
Oh, yan, sample. Ayun!
So yung scan grip this is the
Scan
basic
grip,
one. Scan grip.
So, talagang ni-scan nyo, bossing, para talagang makita nyo kung may flow o wala, di
yung
ba?
lights the proper lights, and then this one is using the Cameos PPF. The other one is
Cameos
Aurora.
PPF. Okay.
Aurora.
Aurora. Ito, bossing, ano naman to? Off-road to, di ba?
Off-road.
Pick up, oo.
And then this one we partner with Autobot.
Autobot,
And then
oo.
using Nikon roll bars.
Oo nga pala, bossing, kasi di ba?
Oo.
Nag-distribute tayo nito mga
Yes.
mga stepboard na ganyan,
Yes,
roll
yes,
bars,
yes,
di ba? Grill, everything.
Yes.
Pati itong mga top. Siyempre naman, Aika, number 1. Yung ginamit natin sa Voltes 5 natin, boss.
Yes. Okay.
Galing, boss. So, ito naka-PPF na to, boss.
Naka-PPF, Cameos yan.
Cameos, oo.
Okay.
So, bossing, ito kahit pang off-road nila, maputikan, protektado ang pintura.
Oo naman, oo.
Galing.
Parang ano yan,
Parang chikas, no?
Yes,
Napakabatang
yes.
bata,
Meron
tas
ka
protected
meron
pa.
ka additional protection.
Aha, di
And
ba?
then, gamit natin is fuel.
Fuel na
And
max.
then BF na goodage.
Aha.
So Jasper.
So, sir-
Sa sponsor Jasper.
Oo.
Okay.
So, boss, ito, one-stop shop, kumbaga. Kung gusto mo yung setup, pwede na rin, diretso na rito.
No, set up we partner with
Oh, with Ford Autobot. Pero
yes.
dito yung huling-huli, yung finishing, detailing.
Finishing, detailing,
Yes.
ceramic coating, PPF.
Lahat.
Yan, dito yung
Oo.
dito yung
Boss, ang ganda ng mga ilaw natin dito. Pumopogi ako rito para ako nasa showbiz.
Diba?
May inoplo, di ba? Ganun-ganun si Robin Padilla, dapat tapat lahat ng ilaw eh. Para
so, ang lights natin, papansinin mo, dalawang kulay yan. May white and then warm white.
Warm white, tsaka white. Yun yung dapat, di ba? Para makita yung mga gas-gas o ano pang kailangan i-detail.
This is our Pioneer Shop.
Pioneer Shop.
Flagship store. And
Flagship.
In the future, we are looking for partners for the shop in Miss Min.
So ibig sabihin, bossing, open tayo for partnership.
Yes. Not franchise yet. Franchise.
But not franchise, partnership. Tapos mag-invest lang sila, di ba?
Okay.
The one to have.
Tie up, we do the training, everything.
Yes. O nga pala, guys, kung tinatanong nyo nga.
And this is one of the newest polisher.
Wow. Ng Rupes.
Yes.
So bossing, di ba napaka-importante ng mga ganitong klaseng magandang brand? Kasi number one, ano na sila, di ba? Wala na silang wire, di ba?
Yes,
battery operated para hindi sasabit, di ba?
Yes.
Tsaka talagang ito, they were made for detailing, di ba?
Yes.
Oo. So boss, open tayo for partnership.
Yes.
Boss, okay, question. Saan sila pwede mag-inquire? Facebook page.
Yes.
Meron ba?
Yes, they can go to the Bigfoot Detailing Center, Philippines.
Bigfoot Detailing Center Philippines.
Yes,
FB natin. Page, oo.
And then message us.
Message, oo. Meron ba tayong cellphone number, bossing?
Pwedeng number ko. Pero sa gabi na kayo mag-text
Sa gabi, pwede. Ilalagay na lang natin yung mga tamang contact number dito. Diba, tatanong natin kay Ana muna. O sige, so bossing, thank you very much, boss. Pero ikot mo ako dito sa building dahil narinig ko kumpleto tong building natin.
Yes, I have partner here, and then they also operated the restaurant,
Green Pepper
store, and then there is a secret place that we will show you.
O sige, so bossing, ikot mo ako.
Let's go to the
Green Pepper Bistro Cafe. Okay, thank you, bossing. Quiet in the room, rolling. 4, 3, 2, action.
Hi, I'm John Sotelo, and you can follow me on my Facebook and Instagram at ClickWatch